Today problem. Already previous classes were 5 sums completed. Today 6th problem in exercise 8.4. Listen the question. Question number 6. ABC is on isosceles triangle right angle at C. Prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. Question again you have to read. ABC is on isosceles triangle right angle at C. Prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. Okay. Solution for first given, next to prove, next to prove. First given. What is there in given? In triangle ABC. What is the properties of isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means in a triangle any two sides equal means the triangle is isosceles triangle. Now you have to see the triangle ABC. In the question for what is there? Right angle at C. And isosceles triangle means two sides equal, BC and AC. So which is hypotenuse? AB is the hypotenuse. Already given for as is written here. In triangle ABC, AC equal to BC and angle C equal to 90. Next to prove. To prove what? In the question for what is there? AB square equal to AC square. Here as is written AB square equal to 2AC square. This one AB square equal to 2AC square. Now you have to prove. In right angle where there since angle C equal to 90. See the figure. Angle C equal to 90. Now you have to see which type of triangle? This one, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means which theorem we can apply? Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem statement? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. So here hypotenuse what there? AB square. So AB square equal to AC square. This is the height, base BC square. This is the AB square equal to AC square plus BC square by using which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Now AB square as is there. Next AC square plus BC square. Already BC value how much? AC equal to BC. Why? Because given the triangle or isosceles triangle. So AC equal to BC same means here BC equal to AC written. So square means square written. So AB square as is there equal AC square plus AC square to AC square. Prove what is there? AB square equal to AC square. Here AB square equal to 2AC square came over. Now next question. Question number 7. O is any point in the interior of a triangle ABC. O is any point on interior triangle of ABC. OD perpendicular to BC and OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB. Show that. First question. In the two questions there, first question OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. First question. Second question AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Okay. Question big there, but solution is very simple. What is the major concept? Just in that all triangles before only started, all in this chapter, in this exercise, all depend on which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. So we can see first and second question. Major what is solution given to prove. Okay. Given for as is you have to write in triangle ABC O is any interior point So OD is BC and OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB. Next, prove what is there in the question for OA square OB square as is there, you have to write here. Prove OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Second proof, the question for what is there, you have to write here. AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square BF square. Now you have to construction. First triangle you have to construct. ABC triangle. ABC is the construction triangle. Now O is the interior point of a triangle ABC. So O is the interior point O. Now you have to construct O to A, join O to B, O to C. Now you have to see. Already OA perpendicular to BC is there and OA perpendicular to AC and OA perpendicular to AB. Okay. Now prove. How many questions there is that? 2 questions there. Prove. First question for OA square plus OB square plus OC square is there. So first you have to construct OA square. You want required. So see the figure. In that how many right angle triangles there? First one OAF, one right angle triangle. OAE, this one second right angle triangle. This one first one and another one right angle triangle. This also another triangle, right angle triangle. This also another right angle triangle there. Here also one right angle triangle. Here also one right angle triangle is there. Now you have to construct first one and consider in triangle OAF. This one OAF. This one right angle triangle. OA is the hypotenuse. So angle F is the 90. So which theorem? Right angle triangle means by using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. In the hypotenuse what is there? OA. So OA square as is there. Here height AF square, base OF square by using Pythagoras theorem. Same. First this one triangle considered. Next in triangle, see here DOEC. Next one OEC. You want required? C OC required. So which is the right angle? Angle E is the right angle. So angle C is the angle E is the right angle. So here hypotenuse which one is there? OC. OC square. OC square equal to OE square plus CE square. This is the second equation by using which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. This one over. Next one, another triangle OBD. In triangle OBD, this one right angle triangle. So OB is the right angle triangle. So OB square equal to OD square plus BD square. This one OB square equal to OD square plus BD square. This is the equation third by using this theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Now you have to require to prove OA square plus OB square, OC square is there. But in the left side, first equation are OA there, OC there and OB there. Now make addition means we will get LHS. So add equation 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now add equation 1 plus 2 plus 3. So first one OA square, OB square plus OC square. Order written OA square plus OC square plus OB square. LHS. Right side first equation were AF square OF square. AF square plus OF square. Second equation were o square plus c square, o square plus c square. Next one, third for od square plus bd square, od square plus bd square written. Now we have to see oa square plus ob square plus oc square order written. Right side od square is there na, left side change means minus oa square, and od square, see here oa square plus there, change into left side minus, here od plus there, change into left side minus od square. Next of square plus, change into minus, minus of square, equal as is there. Right side remaining af square is there, next one bd square is there, next one c square is there. This is the first one, proof over. From next one, second problem. From equation 1, same as is there na, oa square plus ob square plus oc square minus od square, o square of square equal to this one as is there. Now we have to see oa square minus of square, o square written, oc square minus od square plus ob square minus of square, just order written. Next right side as is there na, af square plus bd square plus c square. Now you have to see in OAE means right angle which side is there, OA square is there, OA square minus A square means OE square, this one, by using right angle triangle. So in OA equal to OA square minus OE square means AE square, same as ODC, see here ODC, same as well as right angle triangle OC is there. So OC square minus OD square equal to OC square. See here, see ODC, OC square minus OD square equal to CD square. Next, as well as another triangle is there na, inside OBF, OB square minus OF square equal to BF square. This one, fourth equation. Now you have to see first one as is there na, OA square minus OE square equal to what is the value? A, this one, AE square. Next one CD square plus BF square is there na. Now you have to see here AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Right side AF square plus BD square plus C square as is there. But in the proof for this one right side is there, this one left side there. So LHS equal to RHS, you have to write right side AF square plus BD square plus C square. Left side A square plus CD square BF square is there. So first one and second one proof over. This one AF square plus BD square plus C square plus A square CD square plus BF square. So answer K. This is the first one and second one proof over.